Vlog 14, regroup and repair. So this is my day to do that. Every Sunday, dealerships aren't open in the state of Louisiana, so I have that liberty to do so. So I'll be regrouping today. I'll be inspired today. Just kind of let my body rest, let my mind repair. I don't really focus on selling cars on Sunday, and I am becoming more purposeful in truly not focusing on that more and more. Typically, my phone notifications are off a large portion of my Sunday. And, and then from there, it's just kind of, I just let my body and my mind just kind of replenish itself. And then on Monday, I go back to the grind. So yesterday was good. I was able to have a deposit on an incoming unit. So that's a pre-sold unit on yesterday, on Saturday. And my second week in August was substantially better than my first week, like quadruple better in my second week. So the third week, we are going hard. So I hope y'all resting, hope y'all regrouping, and we'll see y'all tomorrow, 7:45 a.m.